Hey guys, how are you all? So here I am with a new video. Our previous video, like how to become a pilot, we missed some details in that, which is very important actually. It's like pilot medicals. So we'll be talking about pilot medicals in this video because I'm very hungry, guys. We're gonna make something today. Okay? Actually, we are planning on making a grilled chicken. So already cleaned the chicken and put on small cuts on the chicken. We have some vegetables, potatoes, green chilies, onion. We got here thyme leaf, mint leaf, coriander leaves, spring onions. Yeah, pretty much some vegetables to bake with the chicken. And masala powders which we're using is like paprika, oregano, and we'll be using rosemary and some garlic powder. Okay, so guys, basically in India we have class 1 and class 2 medicals. Okay, so class 2 medicals is one which in the case of your beginning, in the case like you're beginning your pilot career, you should do the class 2 medicals first. It's just because you're gonna start your flying, you're gonna start your training. So in India, it's like SPL, student pilot license. There is something called a student pilot license, and in order to take or get a student pilot license, you need to hold the class 2 medicals. So I'll come to that, like what is class 2 medicals. So first of all, let me get my chicken prepared. So these are the masalas I'm gonna put in the chicken, and then yes, I'll be adding that some of the vegetables and stuff I'll be stuffing inside my chicken, and some I'll bake it with the chicken. So yeah, that's it. My big chicken. So then we're gonna put some paprika, and we're gonna put some we're gonna put some garlic powder. A little will do because it has a strong aroma. Paprika done, garlic powder done. Now we'll put some oreganos. And I'm not a huge fan of oreganos, like by the way, but I like it with pizza and stuff. Not tried with a grilled chicken. A bit of oregano for a flavor, and then rosemary. And I guess that's fine. Okay. Hey guys, so we have marinated our chicken. We just applied our masalas, and now we're gonna put half an onion inside the chicken belly. Okay, and we'll take, I guess, half a potato. That too goes inside, and then with that goes some thyme leaf, some coriander leaves, and little mint leaf. So first we'll put in thyme leaves. Yes, and then rest of the coriander and putina, mint leaves. We'll fold it nicely and stuff it inside. Yes, that's it. And then rest of the veggies are supposed to be baked, and some are for the salad and some are for the dips. Okay, so guys, we're going to place it now in the oven for baking it or for grilling it, and let's see what the outcome is. And once I'm done with this, I'm placing it in the oven, and we're talking about pilot medicals. Okay, now just put it some butter on this one so that chicken doesn't get sticky. Okay, and now we'll place the chicken. Come on. turn on. You're good, you're good. Yes, like this. Let's cook it for another 45 minutes. Okay, so guys, we put the chicken in. Now, we're gonna talk about our pilot. So guys, medicals. So, as I was telling you before, class 2 medicals are important and class 1 medicals are very, very important. So, let's talk about the validity of class 2 medicals. Actually, class 2 medicals, you can get it done from your own state or your own district. There'll be plenty of people or plenty of doctors approved by DGCA. By the way, DGCA is Director General of Civil Aviation. It's a body, aviation body which runs Indian aviation. Okay. So, DGCA people or DGCA will approve some doctors who can or who are authorized to do class 2 medicals. Okay. So, there are plenty of people in like all the states or all the districts. So, getting class 2 medicals done is not a big task. But end of the day, guys, yeah, if you are medically unfit, then you have to face some issues. So I suggest you guys like follow a proper lifestyle routine. Yeah. So what they test in your medicals? So you're a pilot, right? Eyes, ears, your breath, your lungs, heart, your blood. That's it. And some other like X-rays and urine test, etc. Okay. So basically, what and all tests we are doing in class 2 medicals, that test will be, conducted little more like what should I tell you? Okay, you're going for a BTech. Okay, what will you study in BTech? And that is not the stuff you will be studying in MTech. You'll be doing something more. You'll be learning more into the depth, into like more of that, right? So that is the difference like class 2 and class 1 medicals. Class 1 medicals is like into the depth. They thoroughly or completely check your body. Okay, so I suggest if you're going to become a pilot and if you're gonna do your medical soon, control your drinking, your smoking, your food habits, junk food and all, because end of the day that shows up your cholesterol level, bad cholesterol and stuff, and some people will be affected with uric acid. Uric acid is an issue. Any small issue in your this one, they'll cancel, they'll reject your medicals, because end of the day you're gonna fly or you're gonna carry a lot of passengers, guys. We are responsible for life, so they're not allowed to take a risk. So that's it. Medicals and class 1 medical, basically the first class 1 medical you can do right in Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, and in like Bangalore. Okay, so I did my class 1 medical from Bangalore. Bangalore, they have a Air Force base, so they conduct the Air Force people conduct the class 1 medicals. And Mumbai we have Nanavati Hospital, that's a private one. Chennai also we have a private one called Apollo, and Delhi we have both Air Force and private ones. So class 1 medicals are not like class 2 medical centers, they are limited, and it's a long procedure for class 1. We have to do a lot of checks. So class 1 medicals are in like very few places. You need to book an appointment. It's like you have to go online, you have to book an appointment, and then you have to wait for the date. You have to go, and whereas you can't. One more thing you have to take care is like you can't previously do your test. Like go to a lab, getting done your test and taking that result is not allowed. You have to do it in the center. Like there are some approved doctors and approved laboratories which are eligible to do this. Only they can do that. Okay, so keep that in your mind. So that is pretty much about medicals. It's important. If you're planning to become a pilot, first go through your class 2 medicals, then go for your exams or flying, whatever it is. Before putting in a single penny or before investing in something, it's always good to know like what is out there, right? Simple as that. Get to know your body. Are you in a good condition to fly or not? They'll check if you had previous surgeries in your eyes. They'll check if you're like wearing any glasses, specs or something. And something like you need to get to know your body to become a pilot. So you should be fit enough. That's it. Class 2 medicals, Class 1 medicals. Now let's talk about the renewal. Class 2 medicals are valid for only 2 years. Okay? And once you're done with your Class 2 medicals, and if you have your Class 1 medical, then you don't have to go back and do your Class 2 medicals again. But then, like being a trainee pilot, or you're doing a flying, or you're doing an exam, so you have your Class 2 medicals, you have not done your Class 1 medicals yet. That means you have to renew your Class 2 medicals again. Understand? Because you're not having a Class 1 yet with you. And Class 1 medicals. Class 1 medicals validity is like 1 year. And that too depends upon your age, okay? If you're below 40 years old, your validity is 1 year. The 40 years and above, like we're getting older, right? We need to be checked very frequently to see that whether we are fit to fly or not. So that is why when we are getting older and older and older, they reduces the time gap between your next check. So it's 1 year, and for people above 40 years, it's like 6 months. And yeah, that is all about medicals, guys. I'm hungry, guys. Aren't you hungry? Let's see what my chicken is up to. Let's see what else. Okay? Yeah. Okay, guys. So it's been like 20 minutes. Let's see what is condition of our chicken. Okay. Good enough. It's very good. Yeah. Let it be for another 20-25 minutes. And let's take him out. നമ്മുടെ ചിക്കൻ റെഡി ആയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. നമ്മളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനായിട്ട് വീഡിയോ കോൾ, നാട്ടിൽ നമ്മുടെ കൂട്ടുകാരായിട്ട് വീഡിയോ കോൾ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. നമ്മുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് എല്ലാവരും മിസ്സിംഗ് എവരിബഡി. മിസ് യു ഗൈസ്. Okay guys, so I guess our chicken is ready. Let's take it out. Okay. Okay. Yes. No, that's cooked. And we added some potatoes so that we get some baked potatoes too with that. I'll plate it, then I'll show you guys. Okay. Yes. So. I think our chicken is ready, and we have our baked potatoes. Oh, it's crispy, man. It's kind of crispy. I guess inside is juicy. Let's cut it. Okay, you can hear the crispiness, I guess. Yes. Oh, we have stuff inside, right? I forgot. I'll take this leg off. This leg off. See, this is this soft. I'll plate it and show it to you guys. So guys, we have like plated it. This is how it looks. I think it's tasty. I'll taste and see. Yeah, that's cool. And we got fries. And this is a dip we made. Yeah. Here. It's kind of a dip. I made. It's custom made. No special recipe and all for that. That's nice, guys. So we have chicken ready, and we're ready to eat. I'm very hungry. You want to eat? So if you like the video, do support us, support my team. And if you want any more information about piloting or anything about pilot life, do comment or do text me on Instagram, and do suggest what kind of videos you want more. Okay? So that's it. Good night, guys. Until I see you for the next time, as Malu Pilot signing off. Bye-bye.